Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the study squad, and today we'll be discussing the most expected questions for your AFCAT exam. People who are studying for CDS and NDA, you can also watch this video, it will definitely help you guys. Take this video as a test, okay? It will have around 10 to 15 questions, and the marking, it's +3 for all the correct answers and -1 for all the incorrect answers. Make sure to mention your score in the comment section, okay? And with that, let's move forward. So the first question is, who was appointed as the Director General of SSB? Your options are Arvind Walia, Rashmi Shukla, Vikram Dev Dutt or Ravi Sinha. So the answer here is Rashmi Shukla ma'am was appointed as the DG of SSB, okay, in 2023, for 2023. Okay, you should be knowing about others as well. So Arvind Walia, he's the Engineer-in-Chief of Army. Vikram Dev Dutt, he's the new DG of DGCA, okay. You should be knowing the full form of DGCA as well, okay. Very simple, though sometimes you forget it, okay. Ravi Sinha, he's the Chief of RAW, okay. And who is the person who was the DG before her of SSB? His name was S.L. Thyssen, okay. He was in the office in the year 2022, okay. You should be knowing this as well, okay. This is her, Rashmi Shukla ma'am, okay. You can see that. Moving forward, we have who will win the International Prize in Statistics in year 2023, okay. So this question is here because the person who is gonna win is of Indian origin, okay. And this prize is based on the concept of Nobel Prize, okay. You should be knowing this as well. Then who is gonna win? His name is C. Radhakrishna Rao. Other people that are mentioned here, they are basically Nobel Prize winners, okay. They are Nobel Prize winners of 2022, okay. Moving forward, we have who won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2022. So I've placed this question here because we've been seeing these questions again and again related to the topic of Nobel Prize, okay. So they have asked, in physics, what was the discovery or what they did to receive the prize. Like they worked on entangled photons there, okay. They conducted experiments in them, okay. So they asked questions related to them. So make sure before the exam you revise this topic, okay. Revise all the name of the awardees and what they did. I have mentioned them, so in the PDF you can find them, so revise it from there. You can find it in the Telegram channel, okay. I'll post it there. So here the answer is Sivanto Babu, okay. He won it in medicine, in the field of medicine here, okay. Moving forward, I have mentioned all of them here, and make sure you should be knowing all the names and what they did, okay. You can find it in the PDF. I'll upload it on Telegram, okay. So make sure to join the channel as well as you can download the PDF from there, okay. You should be knowing about all of their names, okay, for chemistry, for physics, for medicine like we did, okay, for literature, peace and economics, okay, all of them, okay. Moving forward, we have a question of Nisar, okay. So which year was Nisar agreement signed? So what is Nisar? Nisar is basically an agreement between NASA and ISRO, okay. The question is here because ISRO has been in news because of its recent mission, okay. So because of that, you should be knowing everything about ISRO, okay. So the answer here is it was signed in the year 2014, okay. There's more details about Nisar. So basically it's a satellite for observing Earth, okay. It's an Earth observing satellite here, and also it's a low Earth orbit observatory, okay. Moreover, it was signed in 2014, as you can see, agreement between US and India, okay. And when will it be launched? So it's still in making. It will be launched in the year 2024 January. And from where it will be launched? So it will be launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center. Where is it? It's in Sriharikota, okay. I expect all of you to know this, okay. Then Nisar will be able to map the entire globe in just 12 days, okay. So important here, okay. This is important. Here's a picture of how it's going to be. Moving forward, we have which country has been recently added in the FATF's grey list. Okay, so this is important. Okay, so the answer here is Myanmar has been added. Okay, and you should be knowing which country was removed. So Pakistan was recently removed, and then Myanmar came into the list. Okay, so India a member of it? India has been a member of it. Okay, since 2010. And how many countries are a member of FATF? They are around 37 countries, okay, that are members. You should also be knowing the full form of FATF, though I'm expecting everybody knows it already. It's Financial Action Task Force, okay. So you should be knowing this. It's like a watchdog. This one is like a watchdog for it's like a watchdog, okay, for money laundering and for terrorist financing, okay. So it's like that, okay, for terrorists. Okay, moving forward, we have which country hosted the 14th BRICS Summit, okay, in 2023 here. So this is important. So the answer is China. China was the country that hosted the 14th BRICS Summit. The name of the edition is also important, and then the theme of it is also important. The theme was foster high quality BRICS partnership, usher in a new era of global development. Okay, the theme is also important. It was the 14th one. Moreover, you can know who's gonna be holding the summit next time. It's gonna be South Africa, previously India, okay, and China conducted it virtually, okay, virtually it was conducted. Moving forward, we have which year was the Indus Water Treaty signed. So it's been in news because there have been some conflicts related to this treaty, so therefore the question is here, okay. So it was signed in the year 1960, and why is the conflict there? It is because of the Krishna Ganga hydroelectric project, okay. Therefore there has been some conflict related to this treaty. This project is going to be in Jammu and Kashmir, okay. This is going to be located here, and India is trying to create this project, and they're trying to divert some water from the Jhelum river here, okay. So Pakistan is obviously creating some fuss about it, so therefore this has been in news. So you should be knowing about this, okay. Name of the project is also important here, okay. Moving forward, we have which branch of military will now allow women officers to serve with engineer regiments along LOC, okay, for the first time. So therefore this is important. So the options are Navy, Air Force, Territorial Army or National Guard, okay. So the answer here is Territorial Army. This is important, okay. You should remember this, okay. Then we have who was appointed as the chairman of UPSC, okay. So the options are Manoj Soni, S. Somnath, Tushar Mehta or Preeti Sudhin, okay. So the answer here is Manoj Sinha has been appointed as a new chairman of UPSC, okay. Who is S. Somnath? You should be knowing this. He's the chairman of ISRO, okay. You should be knowing this. Then Tushar Mehta, he's the Solicitor General, okay. He's the Solicitor General, okay, General of India. He's been recently appointed. You should be knowing this. Preeti Sudhin has been appointed as a member of UPSC. She's been appointed as a member of UPSC here, okay. Moving forward, we have FIFA Women's World Cup 2023 will be hosted by which country, okay. This is important. FIFA has been in news. And since you're doing FIFA, you should be knowing everything about football as well, okay. So you should be knowing about the terms related to football. Firstly, you should revise them, okay. And secondly, you should be knowing about the cups of related to them, okay. I'll just give you some example, like Santosh Trophy is there, okay. There is Subrata Cup or GV Malvekar, okay. GV Raja Memorial Trophy is there, okay. Like that, okay. We have so many, or like Rovers Cup, okay. All of them you should be knowing as well, okay, because of this question, okay. So it will be co-hosted, okay, co-hosted by Australia and New Zealand. Okay, this is going to be in the 9th edition. Okay, so all of this is important, plus cups and terms important. Okay, they might ask you in AFCAT. Okay, moving forward, we have the Men's Hockey World Cup was organized in which state? Firstly, it was organized in India, therefore important. And they have asked this question. This is important. Okay, so the options are Maharashtra, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, or Uttar Pradesh. So the answer here is Odisha was a state. Okay, so this was the 15th edition. Okay, you should be knowing the CM of Odisha as well, and India's rank was 9th. Okay, and then Germany won, defeating Belgium. Okay, all this is important. Moreover, just like football, okay, you should be knowing the cups related to hockey. Okay, like we have the Dhyan Chand Cup. Okay, like we have the Dhyan Chand Cup, or we have the Aga Khan Cup. Okay, just like that. I'm just giving you some examples. Okay, so you should be knowing all of them. Plus, you should also be knowing the terms. Okay, so you should revise them as well. Okay. Then we have which country will host the G20 in 2024. Okay, the options are India, Indonesia, Brazil, or UAE. Firstly, you should be knowing कि 2023 में who is hosting right now? India. Okay, India is hosting currently. Who was hosting before India in 2022? It was hosted by Indonesia. Okay, and then now it will be hosted by Brazil. Okay, you should be knowing this. I have a complete video related to G20. It's for like 15 minutes. This video is for 15 minutes or something. Okay, so it will wrap up everything related to G20, and I feel like this topic is really important, and make sure to watch it before you go for the exam, because I'm hoping that there'll be some questions related to that, like related to, you should be knowing the term, okay, term of India's presidency and everything, logo, theme, everything. You should be knowing this. Okay, so you should make sure to just spare 15 minutes out of your time and just watch it. You might get a question from that. Okay, moving forward, we have what are the 7 priorities in the union budget of 2023 named as. Okay, so the options are Saptarishi Top 7, 7 pillars, or Satpath. Okay, so the answer here is Saptarishi. Okay, they have named it Saptarishi, or are 7 priorities for the union budget of 2023-24. Okay, so you should be knowing what all is there. Okay, so there is inclusive development, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, reaching the last mile, infrastructure and investment is one of the priorities. Then we have unleashing the potential, okay, green growth, youth power, and then we have financial sector ke liye boost karna. Okay, that is also there. Okay, but you should be knowing the name here, Saptarishi. Okay, you should also be knowing the total budget that was passed. Okay, moreover, let's move on. We have Thang Ta dance. Thang Ta dance form is related to which state here? Okay, so Thang Ta dance is a martial art form of dance. Okay, so your options are Manipur, Mizoram, Sikkim, or Assam. Okay, so the answer here is Manipur. Okay, here are some other dance that are related to Manipur, like Ras, Dhola Cholam, Kartal Cholam, okay, or Pung Cholam, just like that. You should be knowing them since it's in news, and you should be about all these 7 sisters. Okay, 7 sisters they are important. They tend to ask you questions related to them. Firstly, you should be knowing all of them. Okay, firstly there's Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, okay, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, okay, there's one left, okay, and Nagaland. Okay, you should be knowing them. Moreover, you should be knowing their capitals as well. Okay, for like Arunachal Pradesh, we have Itanagar. Okay, for Assam, we have Dispur. Okay, for Meghalaya, we have Shillong. Okay, for Nagaland, we have Kohima. Okay, we have Kohima here. Okay, for Mizoram, we have Aizawl. Okay, for Manipur, it's in news, okay? You should be knowing. Imphal, because of the case that happened in Imphal. For Tripura, we have Agartala. Okay, so you should be knowing all this also. Okay, they tend to ask you. This is simple, but they sometimes ask you, and you tend to get confused in them. Okay, moving forward, we have which year Sikkim became part of India. Okay, your options are 1975, 1960, 1965, or 1980. So the answer here is 1975. Okay, along with that, you should be knowing about others as well. Okay, since we are doing this, so it's just like, quickly revise them. For Assam, okay, Assam is the first one to be included. It was included in there 1947. Okay, then we have Nagaland, the second one. Okay, Nagaland got included in 1963. Then we have Tripura, Meghalaya, and Manipur. Okay, Manipur. They were included in the year 1972. Then we have Arunachal Pradesh. It was in the year 1975. Mizoram, okay, Mizoram in the year 1987. Okay, so last one. Okay, so you should be knowing all of them too. Okay, and Sikkim, like we did here. Okay, Sikkim 1975, and all of them, all of them were included all together or integrated in the year 2002. Okay, so you should be knowing that as well. Okay, it's just a quick revision. Okay, moving forward, we have the last question here. Okay, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Ko Kaam Karya Kharam, PMKK, has been named as Pradhan Mantri Virasat Ka Samvardhan, PM Vikas Yojana, or Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, or Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Okay, from the option itself, you know ki okay, these two will not be there. These are Bima Yojanas as given here. Okay, so you can also eliminate. Okay, so here the answer is A. It is PM Vikas Yojana, and this scheme is implemented by the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Okay, this is something you should be knowing. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, this is the end. So I wish you all the best. Okay, all the best to all of you guys, and you're gonna do well. Don't panic. You've studied everything. All the best, and make sure to stay calm during the exam. Okay, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you like the comment, in the comment section, make sure to mention your score that you have attained during this. Okay, and if you have any feedback, feel free to enter it in the comment section. Okay, thank you.